Running Bears! Sorry. Are you gonna say your part?
You guys.
Or you want me to do it again?
I'll do it again.
Okay, here we go. Hey, Aubrey Running Bears!
Welcome back, you guys.
So today we have a mukbang. We are doing a seafood boil. Shout out to the Saucy Crab in Evergreen Park, Illinois. They also have a location in Tinley Park, Illinois. If you are in the Chicago area and you all want to try some good seafood, they have a few places in the metro Chicago area, and they have some other locations. I'm going to list all their locations in the description box below. Problem? Okay. So are you going to tell them what we have to eat? The seafood queen?
Okay. We have crab.
Okay.
Whatever this is.
Crawfish. Look how big they are. Big crawfish.
This thing.
Clams.
This thing.
Corn.
This thing.
You know the names of them.
Crab.
Uh-huh.
And that's it.
And shrimp.
Oh, shrimp. Whatever the shrimp is.
And potatoes. So I'm ready to get started. It seems like forever since me and Aubrey did a seafood boil together. Girl! Okay, let's eat.
Okay, let's eat.
The crabs is already, they cracked our crabs for us. Y'all look. Here you go.
They cracked our crabs for us. Y'all look.
Girl. That's why your stomach's rumbling.
That's why your stomach's rumbling.
Stop this. Look at that.
It's dripping. It feels like it's been forever since we did a seafood boil.
So good. I love how they cracked our crabs for us, you guys. So nice of them.
My microphone. I was calling the crabs crazy.
You was calling the crabs crazy or me crazy?
I wasn't calling you crazy just the way I'm calling the crabs.
Yeah. So, you guys, what have you all been up to, right?
Yeah. What have y'all been? Oh my god. What have y'all been up to? Over Martin Luther King Day.
Yeah, what did you guys do for MLK Day? Did you guys have a barbecue? Here in Chicago, it's too cold, so that's not happening.
Yeah. Guys, that third day of my break was so good. Over the days, I've been having like 4 assignments of homework or less.
This is so good. Oh my gosh.
Can you not?
Can I not what?
You know. Guys! When you get the crab out, this part, the white part, comes out.
Yeah, they crack our crabs for us. Aren't they nice?
Yeah.
Go to the Saucy Crab and get you some king crabs. They crack it for you.
Guys, I put on my lip skin, so you guys know how it feels when you feel your lip skin and then eat food.
It burns.
Yeah.
Why would you peel your lip skin?
I don't know. It was crusty.
A lip skin. Wow.
Mm.
Oh, I can't get this crawfish open for nothing.
I never tried crawfish before.
You have tried crawfish.
Have you ever tried lemon?
Of course I tried lemon.
It's not even sour. Like, if I eat a raw lemon, it's not sour. I would make no reaction. I can drink the juice.
I can drink the juice in it and everything.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Stop.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes?
Yep.
Or clams?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, okay.
Where's the shrimp?
Mmm. The shrimp's so soft. Mmm. Oh my god. It's so good.
Just read what's on the screen. Well, what is she doing? Is this like a trend or something? What is she doing? Like, why does she keep on going in my ear? It's annoying. Those are just smoking with white and you can smoke that.
I definitely told you not to wear white. Mmm. So Aubrey can't eat, enjoy her food for real because she peeled her lip skin. I'm sorry. That's so funny.
They gave us a big chunky one.
Okay, do you need help?
Yeah, I want it.
Oh, too bad. I'm not gonna help you. Just kidding.
They didn't crack it for us. They didn't crack these ones for us.
Because it's snow crab legs. You gotta do it by yourself. Excuse you. Oh my god.
That wasn't me, that was you. The Saucy Crab has the sauce crab.
You're definitely not cringier than I am.
Why do I keep wiping my mouth? Is she already told you guys? Lip skin.
She peeled her lip skin.
Now I'll have to wait for my lip skin to grow back.
Y'all gonna have to wait for my lip skin to grow back.
Stop copying me.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Mmm. Okay, so I have a confession to make. You ready?
What?
The reason why I'm being so annoying.
The reason why I'm being so annoying.
Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna tell you.
Never mind. I'm not gonna tell you. Guys, guess who's the funny? Guess who is?
Guess who is like the funny?
Guess who's a 4-year-old and filmed with their mom? That's my favorite YouTuber.
Layla and Queen Beast.
Yeah, she is so funny. They are so funny. And remember the bracelet. If y'all saw the bracelet video, you have to. What is that for?
You're supposed to do that.
No, you're not. You're not supposed to. I want more crab. I want more crab.
No, you remember when you was mocking me?
Remember you was mocking me?
Nope.
Nope.
shrimp is really good.
The shrimp is really good.
Like,
it's
tender.
really tender. Oh my god. You need help?
No, I don't. Mmm.
How do you like fufu?
Fufu? It's okay. It's different. It's just something that...
It's just like, if you eat it too much, it kind of gets on your nose.
Yeah.
The white stuff, it tastes like a potato, like you biting into it like this. Not cooked. Like this.
Yeah, fufu literally tastes like unseasoned mashed potatoes. It's not bad.
Ooh, these potatoes good.
It's just different.
Ooh, these look good. Tastes better than this.
Mm. Okay, I have a confession.
What?
You ready?
Yes.
Before we end this video, I was acting weird or towards you because I was trying to do the annoying prank. So you just got pranked.
And you just got pranked because I was mocking you.
So we both started annoying each other.
So back to back. I'll get you back in the next video.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. I'm gonna look up pranks on my iPad. Pranks to prank your mom with on YouTube.
So if you guys are in the metro Chicago area and are looking for some good seafood, go to the Saucy Crab. I will link their addresses below and all their social medias and everything. Just Google them. They're really, really good. And if you want some crab legs that's already cracked, because everybody knows how much of an inconvenience it is to eat king crab legs. So make sure you follow them on their social medias. I will link it below. Follow Aubrey on her social medias. And bye, guys.
Bye, guys. If you're thumbs up, then okay, make this video.
Huge thumbs up.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. we just started a prank war. We want to prank each other back to back in every video that you guys see.
You're not pranking me.
Yes, yeah, I am.
I'm not pranking
Okay,
you.
bye, guys.
No.
So, bye, guys. Have a nice day.